Hello, thank you for checking out my video today. In today's video, it's kind of a follow-up to my video from the other day on my PC on a card that also has the video memory. I definitely recommend checking out that video if you haven't seen it yet. That way you can get more of a better description on this. But real quick, basically it's got a processor, it's got the memory down there, some decoding, and then I've got video memory here, USB and a 8255 used for keyboard controller. And then I've got a header, and on the header I've got an address and data type bus. It does not tie into the PC bus. It ties into its own bus, and it reads the dual port video memory and also sends scan code to the keyboard controller there. So what we've done today is I put it in a more modern looking PC here, and I'm using this CH367 adapter card, which has an 8-bit address, 8-bit data, read-write pins coming off of it. And so I'm able to do on this PC what I was able to do in my other video with my homemade PC using this card. And that's where I kind of want to go with this, is I want to potentially build this on a PCI Express card using that CH367 or similar chip to communicate with the card. So anyway, let's boot it up here. So I'm just booting up DOS off a USB drive on this Dell. Now that other beep was the 40 card. So anyway, we're booting up DOS. And the reason I'm using DOS is I can just talk directly to the ports. Really all I did was modify the code from before, just change some port addresses, and we're good to go. So the program I'm going to run is going to be the PCI Express, very small program. You see it's 199 bytes there, and it's just written in pure assembly. So real quick, let's just run MSD. As you can see, this is a Dell computer. It has 634K, and you can kind of see the rest there. Let's run our PCIe. And now we're looking at the V40 on the card, which also booted DOS. Let's run MSD. And as you can see, it's black and white. It doesn't have a video card. We're just writing directly to video memory. Anyway, you can see it's a NEC V20. The V40 it runs a V20 in it. It just has all the peripherals added to it. You can see the video, none. Network, no. Mouse, no. I mean, it's just a stripped down card running DOS. So you can see the memory here. It's got 512K. Let's show the graphics. So if you saw my other video, so we don't have the ability to read the BIOS data area on the PC on a card. So I can't tell which video mode directly that it wants to be in. But if you press F8, it'll change the mode. F8 goes up, F7 goes down. And now we're in a graphics mode here. So, and you can see it's playing just fine. Let's see here. My keyboard's just a little tiny keyboard, so I'm trying to figure out which want to exit out of here. So when we go to the prompt, you can see it's all messed up. Just hit F7 twice. Takes us back to a standard text mode. Let's see what else we can see on here. So This is the BIOS data area. Um, you'd have to look at a map to kind of see what's going on here, but you can see the keyboard uh, buffer there, and then like the machine code. So anyway, I just wanted to demo the this little update where running the card through the PCI Express, which is kind of the end game here, and potentially we'll put a COM port on it. Right now, it's a very isolated system, and so having a COM port would definitely be a advantage to have on there directly on the card. So anyway, thanks for checking out the video today.